Hey, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a cool flip-up table using these brackets. These things are so cool and they are inexpensive, anywhere from $10.99 to $19.99, and some of them hold up to 300 pounds. So hey, check it out. I'm going to make this flip-up table for my kitchen. It's going to be a little prep area, a desk area. And I got these brackets. This is good up to about 150 pounds, which is more than I need. I like them because they lock right in place. You just hit this little button and boom, they go down. And you could put a little bungee or something on the bottom if you don't want it to bounce around. I'm using some pine, some leftover wood. I found this piece, cut it in half. It was just the right width. So I'm going to do two of these together like that. And then some scrap pallet wood I'm going to put underneath. So this will be the bottom. And then the brackets going to go just like that. That's how easy. Now I know the screw holes are a little bit lame, but for me it's fine. I just want a desk I can put shit on. And this is pretty cool. So now we're going to go in and mount it, see how that works out. You know, it can always be changed. That's the good thing about doing this stuff yourself. You can always change it. If I'd have had the right screws, I could have did it right the first time. But I'm using what I had, and I didn't think they would come through. They did come through, so I went in this way. Not how I was planning to do it, but anyway, there you go. Pretty simple. Ta-da! Hey, check it out. Not bad, pretty easy. Think I like it. Now let me tell you something. If I can do this, you can do it a lot better. I just kind of whipped this together. I may change it, but I wanted to see how it would work. These brackets are dynamite. Like I said before, these hold about 150 pounds. That's pretty sturdy. You know, I wouldn't sit on it, but to put a little weight, put some stuff on here, it'd be fine. And this, I think I paid $11.99 for two. And then they have some that are up to 20 bucks that hold 300 pounds. That's a lot of weight. You could use it as a bench. But for a little computer desk, little prep thing, I might just oil this down. I really don't like the screws, but that's my skill level. And I just wanted to use some scrap. I originally was going to do it out of pallet wood, but I couldn't get that to work. And then I found these. I thought, oh, I'll make it a little bit wider. So we'll see. The best part about stuff like this is you can change it. If you don't like it, you change it. So we'll see how this goes. I think I like it so far. You know, it's down, it's out of the way. Plenty of room in here. Canola oil. So there you have it. Well, I hope you liked that a little bit. And like I said, these brackets, I'll put them in the links down below. There's a different variety of them. Well worth it. Easy to work with. Makes a great flip-up table, as you can see. So there you have it. Hey, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Ring that bell. Subscribe to my channel. Really appreciate it. Until next time, see ya!